Is Wyoming going to become like the Channel Islands or the Bimini of crypto?
Well, we already are. Wyoming, over 4 legislative sessions, has enacted 24 different laws. So we were leading the rest of the United States, actually. I just saw some great news coming out of Texas. Texas is one of the fast followers, as is Nebraska and Illinois. But it's happening, and it's happening at the state level, actually, more than at the federal level here in the United States.
Let's talk about Avanti and receiving a banking charter, basically. I'm going to ask you a dumb question, which I know you can swat out of the park, but I'm going to ask it anyway, and that is this. If Avanti operates as a bank, does that mean that my deposit in Bitcoin will have FDIC protection behind it? In other words, I will be made whole even if my Bitcoin loses X percent of its value.
No, the FDIC does not insure anything other than U.S. dollars. And in the United States right now, banks can only handle Bitcoin as a trust service. So the bank itself is not exposed to the price volatility. They're just providing custody services for Bitcoin. Interestingly, yesterday, the BIS, the global bank regulatory organization of which the United States is part, proposed for the first time a capital regime for banks that want to own Bitcoin on their balance sheet. But up until this point, that's not been the case in the United States. And the FDIC is certainly not involved because the FDIC only insures dollar deposits.
And what would the capital requirements be if a bank wanted to carry Bitcoin on its balance sheet? Or do you have an idea of how high that would be?
Yes, it's the highest capital requirement reflecting the highest price volatility, which is essentially dollar for dollar. That means all but only probably the largest banks, the so-called GSIBs, global systemically important banks, are not going to hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets. And again, the U.S. regulators haven't spoken about this yet, so it's a developing area for sure.
But you'd have to keep. But basically, what you're saying to me is you'd have to keep reserve $1's worth of capital for every $1's worth of Bitcoin that you had on your balance sheet. And if that Bitcoin goes from 60,000 to 200,000, you're going to have to put more capital up against it, right?
That's exactly right. That's how the capital requirements work. It's just the same as if it were a volatile stock, for example, or a volatile commodity, and the bank wanted it on its books. This will keep most banks out of allowing Bitcoin deposits. So far, only Switzerland is allowing Bitcoin deposits on its chartered banks. But I suspect, given that the BIS released this yesterday, that other countries will follow, possibly the United States. We know that the largest banks in the United States are starting to open Bitcoin trading desks. And frankly, the clarity in capital requirements is going to help that. I'm not so sure that's good for the banks or good for Bitcoin, but that's another story.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.